Hey, do you want to open my DHGate belt, Gucci belt? I got a black one. Can't remember the thickness. I know that it was supposed to be the, you know, the GC logo, gold and black leather. And it came in this little package. I'm sure that's what it is. But I already pre-opened this so that I don't take too much time on the video of unwrapping. But so I did have to wait on this item and all the other stuff. They came in, I put an order, like a big order, and then I started getting the packages separately. So this is what, so there's different thicknesses that you can purchase. Bubble wrap and tape right here. It comes in a little box. It is a Gucci, right? Yeah, it comes in 3 or 4 different thicknesses. I think it's in centimeters. I think I might have gotten the, like a medium. I don't even remember. It's been so long. So it comes in this little box. And I can see the, yeah, okay. Ooh, like a snake. So it has this covering just to protect the leather. And from what I can see, what did I get? Is it leather? Was my question. It doesn't look like leather, guys. Well, maybe it's tough leather. I don't know. I guess I'll be able to tell once I like start wearing it. But this is the belt. It's got tape on here, so. Come on. Damn. There it is. Yay. I really hope this is leather, guys. I'm really hoping. If not, I'm gonna be really disappointed. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's kind of pretty. Looks nice, but hope this is leather. Leather usually doesn't feel like this, honestly, though. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so this is it. My Gucci belt from DHGate. I don't know. I would say, oh, and it's 46. Yeah.